From the rectus muscle, we have this first point here. Inside, outside, camel, everything what we are doing from our rectus muscle. Side, when we stretch exactly this part. Don't mix it with this part, no, it's exactly our diagonal here. So it's first, second, and the third is the same. Our hips. So this movement goes here. So different direction, up, down. On the steps, which kind of steps we have in belly dance? Movement. So you have to be always a little bit open. Step inside. Your knee always beautiful. You have to be like a goddess, not this goddess, this kind of goddess. Step going from your knee. It's not 1, 2, 1, 2. It's here. 1, 1, 1. So even when you start performance, when I start performance, it's always like step, always beautiful legs. It's very important here on this place. So you put it like this, here, bam. Not like this, here. So this step, we can add our two, or we can do two. So the step is the same. The same happened with this one. We can do two. We can do omi. So the step is the same. We have to know how to put your feet right. And then we put on the step any movement. Camel, or accent, or just this one.